It's almost in the same way that if you bump your shin or bruise yourself, if you rub it, it starts feeling better. It puts up a block within that process, a chemical block. Chemicals are released when we do hypnosis. For whatever the brain has ever experienced or the mind has ever experienced, it can recreate. So if you've got probably 30% maybe of your population can actually numb their hand. We call that glove anesthesia. And then they can transfer it to other parts of their body. Some people say make it totally numb. Well, they can still feel touch, so that creates some disbelief that it could really work. So I would usually say that no matter what I could do would bother you, but there's 3 things you can say to make that work better. Remember what it felt like when you got your hand really cold. Remember what it felt like in your jaw and your tongue when you got back from home from the dentist. Remember what it felt like when your arm or your leg have gone to sleep. Recreate those sensations. And then you can move that to that part of the body. However, that is only temporary.